Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact device model and iOS 6 build so you pick the right exploit. Once done, back up with iTunes or iCloud and export critical files. Make sure battery is above 80%. Next, download the jailbreak tool that matches your build and install any required desktop drivers. This first phase removes stock restrictions and prepares a stable recovery path. Do not skip backups. If something goes wrong, you must be able to restore to your pre-jailbreak state. You now enter the middle phase where stability matters more than speed. After jailbreak, open Cydia and add only trusted repositories, then install core compatibility tweaks and UI fixes designed for iOS 6. Make sure to enable Open SSH and replace the default password immediately. Generate SSH keys for safer file transfers. Once installed, update package lists and apply only one major tweak at a time. Testing boot and basic apps between installs so you can identify conflicts without losing. You finish by restoring your user apps and tightening security. Sideload or install compatible legacy apps, then disable unnecessary background daemons and verify automatic backups are functioning. Adjust performance settings and reboot twice to confirm persistence. If something breaks, boot into safe mode and remove the most recent tweak. Once stable, reapply changes one at a time. As a last resort, restore from the backup you made in Step 1. This sequence keeps you recoverable and leaves iOS 6 usable for daily tasks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.